Welcome back to WP Kitchen Tech, where we'll explore some of the best kitchen tools on the market today. So, let's jump right in and discover how these innovative gadgets can change your kitchen game. Philips Barista Brew Semi-Automatic Espresso Machine. If you're a coffee lover, you know there's nothing quite like the taste of a freshly brewed espresso. Let's talk about a tool that can make your mornings a little less messy. The 3PCS Eggshell Opener. You know how frustrating it can be to crack an egg, only to have pieces of the shell fall into your bowl? Or maybe the crack isn't clean, and you have to fish out tiny bits of shell. That's where this little gadget comes in. Priority Chef Large 15-ounce potato ricer with 3 discs. Let's move on to the Priority Chef Large Potato Ricer. If you've ever made mashed potatoes and ended up with lumps, you know how disappointing it can be. That's where this potato ricer comes in. It's designed to give you smooth, creamy mashed potatoes every time. This particular model from Priority Chef has a 15-ounce capacity, meaning you can rice a large amount of potatoes at once, perfect for family dinners or holiday gatherings. What's really great about this ricer is that it comes with 3 interchangeable discs, so you can choose how fine or chunky you want your mash to be. If you love fresh squeezed juice but don't want the hassle of using an electric machine, this manual citrus press is the perfect solution. What sets the Zulay Citrus Juicer apart is its solid, heavy-duty construction. It's made from metal, so it's durable and strong enough to handle even the toughest fruits, like grapefruits and oranges. With a simple press, you can extract juice without straining your wrists. It's perfect for making fresh lemonade, orange juice, or adding a splash of lime juice to your recipes. The Vinci hands-free electric citrus juicer is a fantastic option. This machine takes all the work out of juicing. You just place your citrus fruit inside, press a button, and the juicer does the rest. The Vinci juicer is designed with ease of use in mind. It's hands-free, so there's no need to manually press or strain. Plus, it works with a variety of citrus fruits. Now let's talk about a more specialized tool, the Squeeze Master Manual Press. This manual press is incredibly versatile. It's designed for pressing cheese, herbs, fruits, and even wine, making it a multifunctional tool for food enthusiasts. With a capacity of 1.6 gallons, the Squeeze Master can handle large quantities of produce. For those who work with cheese regularly, the Huanyu Commercial Cheese Slicer is a fantastic tool to consider. This slicer is designed for heavy-duty use and can handle both soft and hard cheeses. The replaceable stainless steel wire blades allow you to choose between 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter slices, making it easy to get the perfect thickness for your cheese. This slicer is great not only for cheese lovers, but also for professionals in the food industry. Or just slicing cheese at home, the Huanyu Commercial Cheese Slicer will make the task quick and effortless. The replaceable blades are an added bonus, ensuring that the slicer stays sharp and efficient over time. Cleaning is easy too, with removable parts that can be washed by hand. For anyone serious about cheese, this slicer is a game changer. First up, we have the YBSVO Commercial Grade French Fry Cutter. If you're someone who loves making homemade fries or runs a restaurant, this tool is a game changer. We all know that cutting potatoes by hand can be tedious and inconsistent. Sometimes, one fry comes out too thick and the next one too thin. With the YBSVO French Fry Cutter, that's a problem of the past. This cutter is built for heavy-duty use. If you're in the business of making fries, or just love homemade French fries, the Fly-Sego Electric French Fry Cutter is a tool you'll want to check out. This stainless steel cutter is designed to make cutting potatoes fast, efficient, and uniform. It's perfect for both commercial and home use. With two interchangeable blades, you can choose between different fry sizes, giving you the flexibility to create thick cut fries or thin shoestring fries. Not just limited to potatoes, this machine can also handle cucumbers, carrots, and sweet potatoes. The electric design means you don't have to manually press the potatoes through, making it ideal for high-volume kitchens. Whether you're running a restaurant or hosting a party, the Fly-Sego French Fry Cutter helps you produce perfectly cut fries in no time. The Vacuum Mason Jar. Now, this may seem like a simple item, but trust me, it's incredibly useful if you're into long-term food storage or keeping ingredients fresher for longer. We all know that air is the enemy of freshness. When food is exposed to air, it starts to lose its flavor and texture, and it can spoil more quickly. The Vacuum Mason Jar solves this problem by creating an airtight seal. This is particularly useful for preserving dry goods like coffee beans, nuts, grains, and even liquids like sauces or soups. The vacuum-sealed environment reduces the amount of oxygen that comes into contact with the food, extending its shelf life. For people who enjoy prepping meals ahead of time or preserving ingredients, this is an absolute game changer. You'll no longer have to worry about your food going bad too quickly. What's great about these jars is that they work with most vacuum sealers. Just place your ingredients in the jar, attach the vacuum sealer to the lid, and within seconds, you've got a vacuum-sealed jar. Not only is it efficient, but it's also eco-friendly since you can use the jars over and over again. Plus, they're perfect for organizing your pantry. With the clear glass, you can easily see what's inside without having to open the jar. The Vacuum Mason Jar is the ultimate storage solution for anyone serious about keeping their kitchen well organized and their food fresh. Let's talk about the vacuum sealer machine. This tool is essential for anyone who's serious about food storage, meal prepping, or even sous vide cooking. Vacuum sealing works by removing air from the packaging. One of the great things about a vacuum sealer machine is that it can be used not just for storing food in the fridge or freezer, but also for sous vide cooking. Since the machine removes all the air from the bag, it creates a perfect seal for sous. A vacuum machine is a must-have tool for sealing food. keeping it fresh for longer, and preventing freezer burn. Vacuum sealing works by removing the air. Kitchen Boss Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker. Next up, we have something for all the food enthusiasts who love precision cooking, the Kitchen Boss Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker. Now, if you're unfamiliar with sous vide, let me explain quickly. Sous vide is a method of cooking where food is vacuum sealed in a bag and then cooked in a water bath at a precise, controlled temperature. It's a popular technique among professional chefs, but it's becoming more and more accessible for home cooks. The Kitchen Boss Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker brings this cooking method into your kitchen with ease. It's a thermal immersion circulator with 1100 watts of power, meaning it heats water quickly and maintains a precise temperature throughout the cooking process. What's even better, it's Wi-Fi enabled. This means you can control the sous vide cooker remotely through an app on your phone, adjusting the temperature or timer without even being in the kitchen. The LCD display and digital interface make it easy to set the exact temperature and cooking time you need for your dish. Whether you're cooking a perfect medium-rare steak or delicate fish, you can trust that the temperature will remain stable, and your food will come out perfectly cooked every time. Now, one of the biggest benefits of sous vide cooking is the level of control it gives you over the texture and flavor of your food. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more kitchen tips, tech reviews, and delicious recipes, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to WP Kitchen Tech. Be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and see you in the next video.